Today I'm going to show you how to see post activity in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to check how a post is performing and view the engagement details right from the post itself. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and walkthroughs. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open X.com or Twitter and go to the profile that has the post you want to check. Once you're on the profile page, scroll through the post until you find the exact post you want to view. After you locate the post, look for the three dots in the top corner of that post and click them. This opens the menu of options for that specific post. From the list that appears, click View Post Activity. That's the option that lets you see the activity and performance details for the post. Once you click it, the post activity screen will open and you can review the available engagement information. And that's it. That's how you see post activity in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one.